Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Spice Gunner Recipes. Today I am going to prepare Kerala red fish curry. The specialty of this dish is the perfect balance of the flavors and the simplicity in its preparation. So let's see how to prepare this. For making this recipe, heat a clay pot on a medium flame and add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil into this. When it becomes hot, add half tablespoon mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds sputter, add sliced shallot into this. Next I am going to add 1 medium piece crushed ginger and 5 garlic cloves. Add some curry leaves and saute it well. Next I am going to add 3 tablespoons of chilli powder. Then I am going to add 1.5 tablespoons of coriander powder, and half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Mix all the ingredients well. Next I am going to add the masala powder that I made with roasted fennel seeds, fenugreek seeds and peppercorns. Fennel seeds I took here half tablespoon. Fenugreek and peppercorns I took here half teaspoon each. Next I am going to add soaked coccum into this. Here I took 6 to 8 small coccum pieces. Mix all the ingredients well. Add salt into this. You can add salt according to your taste level. Here I took more than 1 tablespoon of salt. Next I am going to add just half glass of water. Mix it nicely until it becomes a thick paste. Next I am going to add near to 2 glasses of water. Mix it nicely. When the gravy starts boil, add the fish into this. Here I am using grey mullet fish. Here I am adding some more curry leaves. Cover it and cook for few minutes. Fish curry is almost ready. It goes well with rice, tapioca and rotis. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.